Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can attach a picture to your Gmail email. First we're going to open up the Gmail application here, and then once we have entered, we want to click on compose to write our email, obviously. So from here we write the recipient that we want to send the picture to, and if we want to attach a picture, all we have to do is click on this link icon next to the send icon right here, and then you get the option to either attach a file or insert from Drive. Now for this we're just going to use our own phone storage, so I'm going to click on attach a file, and then right here you should see all of your recent images. Of course, if it's not a recent image, you can just click on image to filter it, and then you find the image that way. So if you want to attach it, you just click on it, and then after you have written the subject and, like I said, recipient, we can just send this by pressing the send button next to the link icon or the attach icon. So that is how you attach an icon or attach a picture to your email on Gmail. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.